So hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create or how to make clothes on Roblox. First of all, open the Chrome browser and go to roblox.com. Once you here, just tap on continue browser. Now just tap on create option, tap on three dot and tap on desktop site. So to create clothes, tap on avatar items, and here you can upload your clothes. So if you want to create clothes or make clothes for you on your account, then you can do so. T-shirt, if you want to create t-shirts like this, I created these t-shirts, and it is very easy to create t-shirts on Roblox. But if you want to create shirts, so to create shirt, guys, there is a template to create shirt. So if you want to create shirt, go to new tab and search for Roblox shirt template. Yeah, that's it. So just go to images and you can see there's a lot of so just tap on this general classic clothing, so where you can see the different part of the shirts, like left arm, this is our left arm, this is our right arm, and this is a front and this is back. Fine. So just we have to change, or we have to just change all the parts to change or customize our shirt. The shirt will look like this. Fine. So let's download this image, and we are going to use any image editor. So I will recommend you to use PicsArt. So it's a good image editor. Just tap on it, add, or just tap on add an image and allow the image and import the image here. Now once you import the image, just tap on this add image and choose the background, and you can choose here multiple backgrounds, or if you want to use your image, then you can download the image on your system and import the image on your PicsArt editor. So I'm gonna use one of the image from here. So let's do this. Let's import this image, floral, and I'm going to set, I'm gonna first keep it at front side of the shirt. Fine. And the back side will be the also the same. So just again, or I can choose the different if I want. So what was the, yeah, so I'm gonna choose the same one for the back as well. So fine, once you're done with the template, now just save this image and save on your system. Now go back to the So yeah, to go back to this page and tap on upload, tap on upload image, choose the image that you have created. Now name the shirt here. So I'm gonna name it as floral, and yeah, description let it be shirt. Now, so just let me tell you first. So to upload or to make clothes on Roblox, you need at least 10 Robux. So if you have a 10 Robux, after creating this template, if you upload or use the 10 Robux, you will be able to successfully make a shirt on your Roblox. So yeah, that's it. Hope you understood. And if you want to create t-shirts, so it is very easy to create a t-shirt for free. Just tap on it, tap on upload asset and select the image. So I'm gonna create image here. Just tap on background, tap on back blank, and I'm gonna create design for my t-shirt. I'm gonna select the shapes. I'm gonna select the circle, fill with color, and I'm gonna choose the color here from yellow, and that's it. Now I can design it, or I'm gonna make a emoji here. So I'll choose from here. Now I'm gonna make eyes of the emoji. So let me increase the width or size of this brush. Eyes, this will be eyes, and this will be mouth. Fine. So I'm gonna change the color from here to red, and let's make a this. Fine, once you're done, just save this image. Now go back to the page here, upload the image, and now just tap on upload. So your t-shirt will be created here with this print that we have created. So it will take time to so if you want to configure, just tap on it, and if you want to set up for the sale, just tap on it on sale, and now you can set the price and tap on save changes. So you can list this product on the stand in please donate. Fine. So yeah, that's what you can do on Roblox. So to create pant, there is also a pant type template. So like we have created a template for the shirt, we can create the pant template and upload it on the Roblox. And but again, for the pants and shirt you need 10 Robux to upload. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.